Hi, I'm Annya, your meditation teacher, and I'm here to answer your meditation questions. And today's question is from John, and he says, I find sitting on the floor when I'm meditating gives me back cramp. Is there another position I can use and still meditate correctly? Well, yes, John, there is. You don't have to sit on the floor in that cross-legged position or in the lotus position in order to meditate, because in order to be in those positions, you already have to be really quite flexible in your legs, your hip, and your back. And if you are not already quite flexible, then you will get cramp, as you've discovered. What you want from your meditation position is for it to be comfortable and sustainable for 10, 15, 20 minutes, however long you're meditating for, because you want your main focus to be on what your mind is doing rather than getting distracted by how uncomfortable you feel. Now, lots of meditators sit in just an ordinary chair, and but even that may be uncomfortable if you have a tendency for a sore back or sore neck, painful neck. So there are things you can do to make sitting in a chair more comfortable for the duration of your meditation as well. One of the things you can do is put something like yoga blocks or a footstool underneath your feet, and that will help lift your legs up and slightly tilt your pelvis back, which for some people's backs will make it more comfortable and easier to sit for the duration of their meditation. Another alternative that you may need to use is to put a rolled up towel or blanket. It's not very neatly done, rolled up into a cylinder, a rolled up towel or blanket which you put underneath your sitting bones to sit on. And that tilts your pelvis slightly forward, again just slightly changing the angle of your back, which again could make your sitting much more comfortable to do. So apart from sitting, you could do kneeling, you could do standing, you could do lying down. What I have done is in the free PDF, which is your meditation starter kit, in step 3 there's a section called Find Your Most Comfortable Meditation Position. Get that right so that it shows on the screen. That explains the different positions that you can go into and explains how to use the blocks and the rolled up towel to help your position more comfortable. So it goes into a bit more detail than I've got done here. And there is also a link to my blog, which is called Choose Your Best Mindfulness Position. And that goes through the pros and cons of kneeling, standing, lying down, sitting, and makes it easier for you to choose which position would be best for you to meditate in. So I would recommend that you print off the PDF and have a read through that section in particular. If you have any other questions about what I have discussed today, or any other meditation questions at all not related to what I've discussed today, pop them in the comments below underneath John. And of course that applies to everybody else as well. If anybody has any meditation questions to ask, pop them in the blocks below, in the comments box below, and I will answer as soon as I can. And I'll see you soon.